Hey, I'm Mike from Reese, and today we're going to take a look at the Reese Towing Starter Kit, part number 7043200. Now this towing starter kit provides you with everything you need to tow. It includes a ball mount with a pre-torqued 1 7/8 inch hitch ball and your pin and clip. So all you have to do is just place this ball mount into your trailer hitch, secure it with the pin and clip, and you're ready to tow. Now this ball mount does have a weight rating capacity of 2,000 pounds with a tongue weight rating of 200 pounds and is designed to fit your 2-inch trailer hitch receiver. As I mentioned, this towing starter kit does include a pre-torqued 1 7/8 inch hitch ball in the drop position, but this ball mount can also be used in the rise position if you choose. Now in the drop position, you will get 2 inches of drop out of your ball mount, meaning 2 inches from the top of the ball mount shank to the top of the ball mount platform. If you do choose to use this ball mount in the rise position, you will have to remove the ball by loosening up this nut and flipping the ball on the other side of the hitch ball platform. But you'll get 3/4 inches of rise out of this ball mount, meaning 3/4 of an inch from the top of the shank to the top of the ball mount platform. And finally, this ball mount does have an angle cut to the back of it, which makes inserting and removing the ball mount from your trailer hitch much simpler. And that's going to do it for the Reese Towing Starter Kit, part number 7043200. If you want more information on this product and other great products from Reese, visit our website at reeseprod.com.